Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a classic kitchen tool that has been used for centuries, the IMUSA Granite Molcajete, a 6-inch spice grinder that is perfect for all your grinding needs. We found this product online, and if you're interested, you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Granite Molcajete? At its core, it's a traditional mortar and pestle made from durable granite, designed specifically for grinding spices and herbs. With a 6-inch diameter, it strikes a perfect balance between being compact enough for easy storage while still large enough to handle small to medium-sized batches of your favorite recipes. Now, let's talk about some of its most important features. First off, the construction of this molcajete is top-notch. It's crafted from sturdy granite, which not only gives it a beautiful, natural finish but also ensures long-lasting performance. The granite is easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The pestle is designed with a comfortable, curved shape, allowing for efficient grinding and mashing without straining your hands. When it comes to functionality, the IMUSA Granite Molcajete truly shines. Its 6-inch diameter is ideal for a variety of culinary tasks. Whether you're making a fresh batch of guacamole, preparing mole sauce, or whipping up a zesty salsa, this tool can handle it all. It's also great for crushing and grinding ingredients like garlic, ginger, and spices, releasing the natural oils and aromas that enhance the flavors of your dishes. So, who is this molcajete suitable for? If you're someone who loves to cook, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out, this spice grinder is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. It's perfect for those who appreciate the art of cooking and want to elevate their dishes with fresh, ground ingredients. Moreover, if you enjoy experimenting with new recipes or exploring different cuisines, the IMUSA Granite Molcajete will definitely become a valued companion in your culinary adventures. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a dinner party and wanting to impress your guests with a homemade guacamole. Using the molcajete, you can easily grind avocados, lime juice, cilantro, and spices together for a creamy, flavorful dip that's way better than store-bought. Or perhaps you're in the mood for a spicy salsa. The molcajete allows you to crush fresh tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos, creating a vibrant condiment that adds a punch to any dish. Additionally, if you're a fan of baking, the molcajete can be used to grind nuts or spices for your favorite desserts. The versatility of this tool truly makes it a kitchen essential. In conclusion, the IMUSA Granite Molcajete is not just a spice grinder, it's a powerful kitchen tool that can transform your cooking experience. Its durable construction, comfortable design, and multi-purpose functionality make it ideal for anyone who enjoys the culinary arts. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting a special occasion, this molcajete will help you create delicious, flavorful dishes that are sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.